I'm Kendall, and welcome to my makeup store.
Your makeup store?
And look, you put on toys to look like this.
Sissy has a piece of sausage.
Yeah, Sissy just woke up. She's so hungry. Mommy and Daddy have a surprise for you.
Are you excited?
Yeah, I want to open it.
Okay.
What could it be?
A monster or
A monster? You want a monster?
you?
No.
Are you ready?
It's right here.
Okay. Here we go.
I want to wrap it. I want to wrap it. Huh? Huh?
Unwrap it so everybody can see.
What are those? Tell me what they are.
That's good.
Yeah, we got a box, but we didn't have anything to put in it, and now we do. Do you want to open them?
Excited?
All right, baby girl, go ahead.
Alrighty, let's do it.
I will start with this one.
And what one's that? That's the LOL Pet Surprise. Those are really rare and super hard to find. You want Daddy to take that out? Oh, okay.
You mean to help you get it started? Okay.
I like this.
Okay. You want Daddy just to get it started for you? Okay. Okay, here we go. It says, look, it says pull here. You ready? Okay.
My turn.
Okay, okay. This is your first layer of surprise. What is it? What did you get? It's a riddle. It's a heart and a chicken wing.
A broken heart, she
A
said.
broken heart.
Here, let Mommy see it. Okay, keep going.
Where is the ball?
Oh, I can get in front of it.
I don't know what I got.
I can't get it.
A broken heart.
I don't know. I don't know what that means either.
Want Daddy to help you? Okay.
It'll be my turn later.
Look, see this zipper? You just pull right from here. There, pull.
James is making this a fly for us, Dad.
You're welcome. You need to thank Mommy too, because Mommy helped. It's a sticker.
What's that? Is it another clue?
No, it's LOL sticker.
Oh.
And fill or try or peep or fit.
You're right. So it can either cry or spit or change colors. How exciting.
You're supposed to be a bottle in here.
Oh, there he is. No, these are pets. Mommy can't get this to zoom in on your stickers.
No, daughter.
Okay. Let's pull the zipper. Here we go.
My turn, my turn, my turn. My turn.
That's a pretty ball. What color is that?
Pink. I love pink. Oh, that is my favorite color.
It is your favorite color. What do you think it is? looky here. I've never seen this before. It's a pet bed.
How cool.
Daddy. Oh, a pet fly this up. Daddy, didn't start with that one.
Alrighty, let's open this up. Let's open up our first surprise.
Open it up.
It's a bottle.
Here, let me show the camera.
Nothing in it now.
Nothing in it. Well, let me show the camera your bottle.
I put it right.
Yeah, it's a pink bottle. How cute.
What's the top?
With a gold lid.
Hey. Whoa.
Here's the bed. Here, Daddy, you open it and see what's underneath there. Come right here.
No.
What's in there?
There's a big
Oh, that's cool.
Looks like some type of
Pet bed.
pet bed.
Look, this
Some
is
type of
why I opened this.
Open that. To Kylie.
Look.
We are new to these pet surprises, so we are learning. A book. Very good, Kai.
Oh! Show everybody what you got.
Put Kylie in the seat. What is that?
I just feed her a bottle.
What pet did you get?
It's not me. Nothing happened to me. Nothing in it. Me. Nothing in it.
You're supposed to put something in it. Oh, there was another bag that you didn't open.
It's a
pooper scooper.
It's a pooper scooper.
Wow.
Wow.
Let's see.
Are you going to take care of that pet?
Let's see who you got.
The Genie Papa Pet. The Genie Pet. The Genie
Is that it?
Pet. We're open.
Yep.
So what can it do?
You got bunny wishes.
And Bonnie wishes,
Okay,
cries, and changes colors.
we'll open this one now.
How exciting.
Do you want to do another pet or do you want to do a glitter?
Look.
Okay.
You want to do another pet?
This one is a pet.
Those pets are pretty awesome.
Yeah. I think Daddy.
Kylie likes the
Okay.
big sisters and little sisters.
Baby, what was your first surprise? You dropped it. It's another broken heart.
I wonder if we got twins.
Me.
Kylie's reading the instructions diligently.
What's your next surprise?
Yay.
Uh-oh.
Uh-oh, we may have ripped it. That's okay. You want Daddy to help you? Okay. Let Daddy help you. Okay.
Never mind. Oh, you found candy, Kylie? Is that good?
Do you want Daddy to take it?
It's our pink.
That is a different color pink.
Yeah.
That's a light pink one.
I want what one is this. Me.
What's your next surprise there, Kendall?
Put her other puppy on its bed. What does that say?
Here, do this.
Oh,
What?
all right. That says. What does it say? What will the next one do? It could what?
10 for 6. You know what that box said?
clean up your hands real quick.
No.
Get back up there, baby. Just don't fall. What could it be, Kendall? You're doing this all by yourself. Kylie, do you like that pet, Kai?
Mm-hmm.
You do? You got your mouth full. Oh no!
I just did it, Mommy.
LOL pet surprise on the run. Get back up here. Here. Oh my goodness. Thank you.
I do not want those.
Kylie, get back in your seat. Kylie loves that.
I don't think they're bubble.
You gonna give it a baba?
They're supposed to be twins.
It might
It
be.
could
The
be.
stickers just looked alike, so Mommy didn't know, but the balls are different colors.
Oh, me.
It fell. Kylie, put it in the house.
What do we got, Kendall?
Open it.
Okay.
Put it in the house. You can play with it in the house.
Daddy's having trouble figuring out how to open it too. There we go.
All kinds of surprises.
Baby! Wow!
There's another pet bed.
That one's a yellow one.
Here, Kendall, open up these surprises.
Kylie, you're a good mommy.
I'm gonna open that
Kylie, sit down, baby.
one.
Yeah, you're gonna fall. Come here.
Here you go, Kendall.
Ha!
I don't know. What did you get? It's a kitty cat.
Oh, awesome.
Her name is
Lacey.
Super Kitty.
Where is her cat?
And she cries
They're both
and pees.
they're both a part of the theater club. That's cool, right? Isn't that the
Yep.
other one we got?
Yep.
How awesome. Uh-oh. Look at these.
Let's see what your accessories are.
Oh, what do I have?
You want Daddy to help you? Okay.
It's some in that one.
Here we go.
And a bottle, a purple lid.
It's a bottle with a purple lid. Oh, how cute.
Sorry. Pour water. And that
Daddy will.
later. Okay. Let's start with this one.
Oh, she wants to do a glitter ball now.
Wait, no, I think there was something else you could have opened, wasn't there?
Yeah, there should have been one more surprise.
Mommy,
Kylie.
open this. Open this.
Let's open your other surprise that came with your pet.
Oh, that. This one is just one more for that pet.
Okay.
Where are my best friends?
What is it, Kendall? It's a purple pooper scooper. It's for your litter box.
Yeah.
All right, so we are going to
You're
open.
doing no turns. I can take turns.
We can take turns. It's a great idea. All right, so LOL surprise. This is the glitter series. So these are really hard to find. Daddy got up at what time?
5:30.
5:30 in the morning to go search all the local Walmarts, and he found this one. All right, so here goes the first layer.
My turn.
You can get the second layer.
Give me.
Sparkles and bomb. Not really good at these riddles. Maybe we'll get better. Hold on, Sissy. You want to open the little sister one? Okay, wait. Sit down. Sit in your chair and we'll do it.
No.
Yeah,
I
the
can
puppies are in
open
there.
that one, Mommy. Yeah, I can do it by myself.
Okay, wait. Let's see what your sticker was. Here, you're right here, Kai. What was your second layer?
I don't know, Mommy.
You don't know? Here. Let's look for your sticker. Kylie is trying to color change it with her tongue. Here, find the sticker.
Ah.
Okay, so what's this mean, Kendall? Oh, uh-oh. There was 2 sets of stickers inside.
Why?
It says they'll either color change, spit, pee, or cries. All right, so I'm going to... Thank you, baby. This is the zipper, so I'm going to unzip it. Yeah. So that was the first. Here, let me open it for you. And you can. Let me just tear it and you can open it. Okay, don't go anymore. You gotta go one at a time. Oh my goodness. That is a cute little like coffee mug, a tumbler, and that has a safety pin on it with red glitter and a white lid. I love it. How cute. Kylie, that matches you.
Now let's open more.
Yeah, here. Let me help you. You don't need to drink it. It's for the glitter surprise.
Oh, Mommy.
What, baby?
Turkey go.
All right, so this is the second one. So don't open anymore. I got to open this one first. It's not focusing very well. We're learning. All right, so inside here, oh, how cute. We have little boots.
Yeah. How different does do this?
Ooh, I love it.
Hello.
Yeah, so far we got little boots. We have our mug. I love it.